We are going to jump straight into the list, but first tell us in the comments the most amazing animal fact you know. The Andean condor, found in the Andes Mountains of South America, holds the title for the world's largest bird of prey and is one of the heaviest birds capable of flight. Its wingspan reaches up to 10.8 feet, and it can weigh a substantial 33 pounds. Although the wandering albatross actually has the largest wingspan of any living bird, with some reaching up to 11 feet from tip to tip. Female anglerfish have a glowing lure on a stalk extending from their head. They use this to attract prey in the dark depths of the ocean. Anteaters primarily eat ants and termites, and gosh, they eat a lot. Giant anteaters can eat over 30,000 insects a day. Their tongue is 3 times the length of its head and body combined. 9-banded armadillos always give birth to identical quadruplets. All 4 offspring originate from a single egg and even share the same placenta. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is a type of salamander that has amazing regenerative abilities. It can regrow entire limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. Bats are the only mammals that can fly, and vampire bats have such sharp teeth that you may not feel them bite you. On top of that, their saliva dulls pain, and they can feast on a victim's blood for 30 minutes undetected. Sun bears have exceptionally long tongues for their size, perfect for reaching honey and insects deep inside tree cavities. The red-lipped batfish, found in the waters around the Galapagos, has bright red lips and leg-like fins, making it one of the most distinctive-looking fish. The binturong, also known as the bear cat, has a scent gland on its tail that smells like popcorn, used for scent marking and communication. The blobfish, found in the deep ocean, looks like a gelatinous mass of goo when out of water, but has a normal fish-like appearance underwater. Camels can drink 50 gallons of water in 1 minute, and did you know they are good swimmers too? Fleas can jump over 200 times their own height. So if a flea were the size of a human, it could jump over the Eiffel Tower. A chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. The tongue can extend at an incredible speed of 26 body lengths per second, which is faster than the blink of an eye. Cheetahs only need to drink once every 3 to 4 days. Cheetah cubs have a unique mantle of silver-colored fur on their back that resembles a mohawk, and this fur provides camouflage in the grass and helps them blend in with their surroundings. Humans share 98.8% of chimpanzee DNA. Despite these similarities, we still have around 35 million differences between us. Boxer crabs use small sea anemones as gloves, waving them around for protection and as a means of discouraging predators. Dragonflies can see in all directions at the same time. There are no male or female earthworms. While all earthworms have both male and female parts, they still need one of each to reproduce. Male echidnas have a 4-headed genitalia. During mating, only 2 of these heads become active, depending on which side the female's reproductive tract is favoring. The echidna is also one of only 2 mammals that lay eggs. The other mammal is its cousin, the platypus, which also produces milk, but it doesn't have nipples. Instead, it secretes milk through its skin. Did you know that baby elephants are able to stand within 20 minutes of being born? The Galapagos vampire finch is known for its unusual feeding habit. It pecks at the feet and legs of other birds, drinking their blood. This adaptation helps it survive on the remote island, where food can be scarce. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The hairy frog, also known as the hairy or wolverine frog, when threatened, contracts its leg muscles, causing the bones in its toes to break through the skin and form sharp claws. Some species of glass frogs have a transparent abdominal region, allowing you to see their internal organs, including their beating heart. The golden poison dart frog is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. Indigenous people in Central and South America use its toxic secretions to poison the tips of blow darts. A giraffe has the same number of bones in its neck as a human, 7 vertebrae. Baby giraffes, known as calves, are already 6 feet tall at birth and can stand and walk within a few hours of being born. Bar-headed geese have been known to fly over the Himalayas during their migratory journey, reaching altitudes of up to 29,000 feet, which is higher than Mount Everest. Gorilla nose prints are as unique as human fingerprints. It is a common belief that gorillas burp when they're happy. The hippo's closest living relatives are whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They share a lot with these aquatic mammals, such as aquatic adaptations, physiological features, behavioral similarities, and social structures. Hummingbirds are known for their incredibly fast wing beats, with some species flapping their wings up to 200 times per second. This rapid motion allows them to hover and feed on nectar. Female hyenas have a pseudo-manhood that's almost as large as the male's reproductive organ. This unique genital structure can make mating and giving birth challenging for them. There's much to delve into regarding this topic, but we'll save that for another video. A jaguar's night vision is 6 times better than a human's. Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, has the ability to revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This process can repeat indefinitely, potentially making it biologically immortal. The bite of a Komodo dragon injects toxins that induce a state of intoxication in its prey. As the venom takes effect, the dragon tracks its prey for miles, creating the appearance of the prey being drugged. Horned lizards can squirt a stream of blood from their eyes to deter predators. The blood is foul-tasting and potentially harmful. The thorny devil, a lizard found in Australia, has skin covered in conical scales that channel water toward its mouth, helping it survive in arid environments. The lyrebird, found in Australia, is an incredibly talented mimic. It can imitate the sounds of cameras, chainsaws, and even car alarms. The star-nosed mole is a small burrowing mammal with a unique star-shaped nose with 22 fleshy tentacles that it uses to feel its way around and catch prey. Naked mole rats are remarkable for their resistance to cancer. They possess a mechanism that suppresses the growth of cancerous cells, making them nearly immune to this disease. Only female mosquitoes bite, as they require the nutrients found in blood to develop and nourish their eggs. Mud skippers are fish that can breathe oxygen and move on land using their pectoral fins, making them amphibious in nature. The pangolin, often referred to as a walking pine cone, is the only mammal covered in scales. An emperor penguin can stay underwater for 27 minutes. Rats laugh when being tickled. They actually let out tiny giggles too high for humans to hear. Both male and female reindeer have antlers, and the antlers are like our fingerprints. No two are alike. Reindeer shed and grow new antlers every year. Contrary to common misconception, a rhino's horn is not made of bone. Instead, the horn grows from a dense cluster of hair follicles at the base of the rhino's skull and is continually worn down and regrown throughout the rhino's life. Male rhinos are called bulls and female elephants are called cows. In fact, a lot of animal species use these same names, including alligators, camels, dolphins, and reindeer. The Chinese giant salamander can grow over 5 feet 9 inches, 175 centimeters long, and is the largest salamander species in the world. In seahorses, it's the males that become pregnant and give birth. The female deposits her eggs into a specialized pouch on the male's abdomen, and the male then carries and nurtures the developing embryos until they are ready to hatch. The elusive thresher shark has an elongated upper tail fin that it uses to stun or even kill prey. The mantis shrimp has the fastest and one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. It's so fast that the surrounding water boils. It can strike with the speed of a gunshot, 50 times faster than a blink, sometimes even breaking aquarium glass. Some land snails can sleep for up to 3 years in hibernation or estivation. Some species of snake can feel what's around them, even without seeing. They have special sensors called pit organs on their heads that detect heat from nearby prey or objects. Have you heard of flying snakes? The paradise tree snake can glide through the air by flattening its body and moving side to side, reaching distances of up to 350 feet or more. Flying squirrels are not true flyers, but they can glide through the air up to 300 feet, using a membrane called the patagium that stretches from wrist to ankle. Starfish have no brain and no blood, and they aren't even fish. A tiger's roar can be heard as far as 2 miles away. The giant tortoise of the Galapagos Islands weighs as much as a brown bear. It can weigh up to 550 pounds. The tuatara, a reptile native to New Zealand, has a light-sensitive third eye on top of its head, which it uses to detect day length and seasons. The spider-tailed viper has a tail that resembles a spider, complete with a bulbous tip. It uses this spider to attract bird prey, which it then ambushes. Walruses sleep around 19 to 20 hours a day, and they can sleep both in water and on land. The blue whale makes the loudest sound of any animal. The remarkable sound, which registers at 188 decibels, can be detected almost 500 miles away. Much like tree rings, whale earwax accumulates in layers, adding a new layer about every 6 months. By slicing up the wax, scientists can estimate a whale's age. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a tongue that can weigh as much as an elephant and is so large that over 50 people could stand on it. Zebra stripes are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. Despite their black and white appearance, they are actually black animals with white stripes. These stripes help deter biting flies. The high contrast black and white patterns confuse the insects, making it harder for them to land. Some turtles can breathe through their bum. This process, called cloacal respiration, allows certain aquatic turtles to extract oxygen from water during hibernation. Wombats have cube-shaped poop, which helps keep it from rolling away. They use this poop to mark territory and communicate with other wombats. The proboscis monkey has a large fleshy nose that can be up to 7 inches long in males. This nose is believed to help amplify their calls and attract mates. The bulbous nose hangs over its mouth, making it look like it has a perpetual runny nose. Which animal fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.